Kenya's capital city of Nairobi is home to some of the largest areas of informal housing in Africa. To accelerate a just transition, the Voluntary Carbon Market is helping fund sustainable development in these areas through the sale of verified emission reductions from innovative tools like pay-as-you-go smart meters. In Sub-Saharan Africa, nearly every meal is cooked by burning wood or charcoal as fuel. And it's not just families cooking with charcoal. Many entrepreneurs earn a living by selling their food on the street, so the demand for charcoal is huge. On nearly every corner, charcoal is sold at stalls, one bucket at a time, since it could be too expensive for most families to buy in large quantities. Charcoal is especially harmful because it is made from wood and requires even more wood to be burned in a production process called carbonisation, driving even more deforestation. Across Kenya, families and businesses are adopting gas as a more efficient cooking fuel. However, without the upfront money to buy full gas cylinders, many families are priced out of this cleaner fuel and still burn charcoal, wood, or kerosene for each meal. The Circle Gas Smart Meter project in Kenya uses carbon finance to distribute gas stoves at zero upfront cost, and users can access a pay-as-you-go plan through their mobile phones. These innovative smart meters are accelerating access to gas cookers that displace the need to burn charcoal, wood, or kerosene to cook. Each end user is provided with a uniquely paired smart card and smart meter to track and monitor gas usage. The smart card is required to activate the stove, minimizing the risk of incidents, and the smart meter automatically switches off after 15 seconds if it detects gas flow without a flame. The smart meters can also detect leakages and will automatically shut off. Users enjoy a giant leap in efficiency, which means they can cook each meal quicker and only need to pay for the fuel that they use. The goal of the Circle Gas Smart Meter project is to accelerate access to gas cookers, especially among low-income households, which will reduce carbon emissions and avoid the negative health and environmental effects of cooking with wood, charcoal, and kerosene. Cooking with gas is a massive step up the efficiency ladder for households and small businesses. Whether you only cook in the home for your family or an entrepreneur who sells mandazis on this corner in Nairobi, switching from biomass to gas cooking improves your health and livelihood while avoiding the smoke and emissions of burning wood and charcoal. The Voluntary Carbon Market gives companies looking to offset their emissions an opportunity to accelerate the just transition by supporting clean cooking projects like Circle Gas.